Division principle. Division principle. To undo multiplication, we do the opposite and we divide. However, anything we do to one side of the equal sign or one side of the equation, we must do to the other side as well. And it's very important to show all your work. So let's look at the first example. Example 1. A steel rod is 68 inches long and needs to be cut into 4 pieces. What is the length of each piece if you disregard the curve? We're going to use the equation below to solve. So we have 68 is equal to 4r. Now this 4r here is really just saying we're going 4 times r. So to undo multiplication, we're going to go ahead and divide. And what we divide by is this number 4. So on both sides, we will divide by 4. When we go 4 divided by 4, this just becomes 1. Now 68 divided by 4, let's get our calculators out. 68 divided by 4 is equal to 17. So we, on the left-hand side, we have 17 equals 1r. So r is really just equal to 17 inches. Let's do another example. Example 2. We have a steel sheet that's 72 inches long. It needs to be cut into 6 pieces. What is the length of each piece if we disregard the curve? Use the equation below to solve. So we have 6p is equal to 72. Now, in order to get p by itself, because this is multiplication of 6 times p, we have to divide by 6 on both sides. Because 6 divided by 6 is just 1. So on the left-hand side is just 1p, and then 72, in case you don't remember, 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. So p is equal to 12 inches. Let's do another example. Example 3. Use the equation below to solve. 45 is equal to 15x. Now we need to get x by itself, so what we need to do is divide on both sides by 15. So 15 divided by 15 is just 1. Now 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. So on the right hand side we have x. On the left hand side, 45 divided by 15 is 3. So x is equal to 3. Let's do one final example. Example 4. Use the equation below to solve. So we have 7t equals 84. Now, to get t by itself, we divide by 7 on both sides. So that just becomes a 1 on the left-hand side. Calculators out, 84 divided by 7 is equal to 12. So t is equal to 12.